Welcome. We still speak about formula. In this video, we'll speak about some shape in formula. This is multiply. Simple if I need to make formula for multiply. Just come here and what first we speak about, we must put the equal sign. After this, put this and put this. Multiply this multiply shape, it will be 9. Say, I must put this to get the multiply formula. Okay, this for divide. If I put this and put the shape for divide, this slash on this one, it will give me a 3. Okay, 3 is divided by 9 divided by 3. Okay, this bracket is very important. If I have this two cell and I need to know make percentage for this cell. As example, this profit for day 2 and this profit for day 1, and I know to get how much the percentage coming from day 2 to day 1. What I make equal and total this minus this. Now I get what? I get the profit between day 2 and day 1, and here as this example it will be 40. Okay, after this I need to divide by I need to divide by B11. Okay, say he come for 59. This is not correct. Why not correct? Because I not make practice this shape. When I bought this without practice, what he make? He make B11 divided by B11, and after this he make minus from C11. This is not correct. I need to make this practice. In this case, he will make inside practice first. He will make this cell profit this for day 2 minus profit in day 1. After this, it multiply on the day 1. He give you 2. But this not percentage. To make percentage, I go to home tab and in the number, this make it percentage. It's come 200 percentage. You can make this increase or decrease number of dot. Okay, and this we speak about if we make this and you need to sum this two cell, we use the minus the plus shape, and if we make minus, you take this minus shape, it will come 0. Okay, this everything we speak about, and this all of this is easy, but this you must know the bracket is very important. You must put what you need to make minus before in practice. After this you can divide or multiply. Thank you.